In this video, let's talk about how to fix WhatsApp status not showing. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have saved their contact within your phone. So ensure that you have the contact number saved within your phone, and the other person must have the number saved too. So WhatsApp only allows you to view status if both people have saved each other's contacts, which means both people are mutual. So make sure that you check that first of all. But in the situation where other people are not being able to view your contacts, in this situation what you can simply do is head over to the settings, and within settings you can just head over to privacy, and right here you should be able to see the option called status. Within status, make sure that it is set to my contacts, so all of the contacts that are mutual to you would be able to view any sort of status that you upload. So make sure you do these first steps first of all. Now even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues with it, the other thing that you can also try out is try to clear out the app cache. Simply tap and hold the app WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon, and then head over to storage. Right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. Once you tap on that, this will clear out all of the corrupted files which might be causing such issues. So these are the few steps that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.